This is a tutorial on finding spectra in SciFinder. We're going to be using the Substances tab on the left-hand side, so make sure that you've chosen that before we start. And you're going to be entering your substance. It's going to be prompting you for other substances, but just make sure that you choose yours, and then you're going to search. On the results page, you're simply going to choose the CAS registry number and open your substance. And this is where you're going to get a more detailed view. Beneath your substance, you're going to see a lot of different categories. The very first one you're going to see is those key physical properties such as boiling point and melting point. But remember, we're looking for spectra. So we're going to be looking at experimental spectra, which is also down the list, broken out by categories so you can find what you need to find easily. And underneath that one is going to be predicted spectra. And you notice there are links you can look at too, so pay attention to those. For more information or to chat with a librarian, visit the library homepage at zula.libguides.com/library.